Hey!
And we are in the busy Banjara Hills at the Wow China outlet on road number 12.
But why are we here? Because it's really busy, and why are we stopping here?
This is a little detour to you, and we are deadly ruthless killers. That's why we are here to enter the dragon. Dragon! Don't climb on him! Don't climb on him! Dragons are very good luck here. Dragons very good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Niloy.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Are, how are you? Great. Please.
Ah, lovely. Welcome. This is the exciting invitation that we had for you.
Yes.
And this is our friend, Mr. Niloy, who is
Hello.
from Wow China. And the incredible thing is, he has a number that is given to every employee. And his number is 001. License to kill or license to eat?
License to heal.
License to eat. Thank you, Mr. Dragon. Bye. See you, Dragon. I like your dragon.
They're really nice.
What is really surprising is, the first thing that I want to touch upon, how many outlets have you now got in Hyderabad? I'm talking about Wow China and Wow Momos.
We have more than around 30 outlets that we have already in Hyderabad, and we have a plan of making around more than another 50 outlets in Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is a city which actually can take more than 100 outlets. That
Wow.
we personally feel. So that is there. Like the entire city is like mad for food.
So you're going to, at some stage, visualize 100 outlets just in Hyderabad itself?
Just in Hyderabad.
And now all across India you have already how many outlets?
Including Wow Momo and Wow China, it's around 400 plus.
Okay, this is incredible. So why is it that Wow Momos becomes so successful so quickly, so fast, all over the place? I mean, look at what we've got over here. Should we quickly go through what we've got?
Let me call Praveen also. He is the chef. He will introduce in a better manner. Praveen,
Good to see you. So,
Chef,
आप एक बार फटाफट इंट्रोड्यूस करा दो.
This is the chicken wings in plum sauce.
okay.
chicken wings in plum sauce?
Yes. And this is the chicken wrap prawn, our signature dish.
Okay.
Okay.
And fish, pan fried fish.
Pan fried fish, okay, that we're familiar with.
Yes.
This is the chicken noodles,
Hakka noodle.
chicken hakka noodles.
Chicken
This
hakka
is the veg
Wow
fried
noodle
rice. This is
Wow
the
Wow noodle soup.
wow noodle soup chicken, which is very popular.
This is exotic
and
veg.
Exotic veg. And oyster sauce.
Okay, and this I know is
Indo chili
Indo chili chicken.
And,
Stuffed mushrooms?
Yes.
Stuffed
Chili
mushrooms?
stuffed mushroom.
Chili stuffed
Chili
mushroom.
stuffed mushrooms?
This is the manchow
Manchow?
soup. And
Chinese
this is
bell!
Chinese
Chinese
bell.
bell! This you've got to try. And these are the veg spring rolls. Please take them that side. Please don't
That's
put
a
them
veg
here.
spring roll.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is the veg spring roll.
Oh, this is the veg spring roll? Okay. We will exchange this. Please,
Yeah.
this is for you.
Thank you
Nila,
so much, Chef. Thank you.
thanks, chef.
Thank you.
Everything smells great. So, Nilo, it's
Yeah.
fascinating. So
Correct.
quickly, you guys have understood the palate of India. You've done something that you cracked the code.
We added the spiciness.
Ah.
We make it Chindian food. It's not a Chinese food. It's a Chindian food.
So it's purely Indian.
Purely Chindian. And we keep announcing this is a Chindian food.
Why do you think Wow Momos and Wow China has done so well in India and specifically so well in Telangana, Hyderabad?
Yeah, I know that Telangana, Hyderabad will always do good, like obviously in terms of Wow China, and that is the only reason because they love spices. And we actually keep adding a lot of spices in all the food.
And they love food. They're a food mad
They
city.
love food. They love, like, they are mad for food.
Yeah.
They just keep, searching different food joint. And that I have seen personally, I have experienced that. And that's the only reason that we have started in Wow China, and that's really doing well. Even we are actually maintaining a good hygiene thing, good cleanliness, and that's also a nice, bright place. People love to come, and that's the only reason.
I think that's very important for families.
Families, you can
Cleanliness,
always,
making
yes.
sure the ingredients are going to be high quality, making sure it's a nice, bright, comfortable experience. All very good.
Good food, hygiene, cleanliness, and people love for food here.
Yeah.
So those could be the reason that we are actually doing so well in Hyderabad.
Now, Nilo, you're from Bengal, obviously. So Tangra is also from Bengal, which is the home of Indian Chinese food. But what's the inspiration behind the Wow China food? Where does it come from?
It is completely an Indian food. It's a Chindian food that we keep saying.
Chindian.
Chindian
I
food.
love that word.
Chinese Indian.
Right.
Chinese Indian. Yes, obviously, Tanra is always an inspiration.
Right.
And it has to be. We follow their style as well. Thank you.
Well, I love this. This is mocktail bar.
Yes, yes.
Chinese se pyar.
Chinese se pyar mocktail bar.
That's what all your mocktail bars are called over here. Super. And what's the idea with this now? Again, lots of colors, very Indian. A lot of fun being had with indigo, blue, red, orange. Again, what's the concept of the bars?
Basic color is red. We are putting more red in Wow China.
Right.
The reason is you go to China, you will find maximum houses are red. Either the house is not full red, but at least the doors entry.
It's very auspicious color in
Absolutely,
China. I lived
absolutely.
in China for a while, so I
Correct,
know
correct,
that
correct.
red
So
is
just
very, very
wanted to
special.
categorically highlight this color as a Wow China. And now everything should be colorful because it's a young thing. It's a brightness that should be there. People should feel it. So that's the only reason.
As people who've been working in food a long time, I can see there's some very clever psychographics involved in here. Also, some thinking because red and yellow are traditionally colors that are
Yes.
associated with food packaging or food
Correct,
brands.
correct, correct.
So Niloy also, you can see Agent 001 has come in his yellow t-shirt. So these things are thought out. And the second thing that we really love is that Rocky and I have always maintained that food should be fun.
Correct.
You know, before we started doing all this, there were a lot of people who took their food very seriously.
No,
you
no,
must
no,
put
no. This is-
one pinch of this and this. And we said, why can't food be good and tasty and delicious and fun? And I think that's what you really captured in
Yes,
this whole thing.
yes,
The bright lights, the colors, that's fantastic.
Now, when Mayur's talking about comfort food, this is what it is. It doesn't matter where you've grown up in India. If you have a club near your house or you've gone to a club for a swim and you come out, you order these spring rolls, and these spring rolls are just beautiful. A roll outside, egg on the inside, chicken over here, lots of spices, very, very Indian, and yet categorized as Chinese. So this is what Wow China specializes in. Like Niloy said, it's not street food, it's not fine dining, it's somewhere in between, and it's struck the sweet spot of India, and that is incredible.
You know what Rocky's saying, sweet spot of India. Here's my last question.
Yes.
Is that as part of your expansion plans, someday do you see a Wow China in China itself?
It
Can you
has to
imagine
be.
Beijing? There's a big Wow
It
China.
has to be. That would be a big news. That Wow China in China. That's something that we can dream for that.
Well, let's have a mocktail to that, and let's get some Chinese bhel. Looking forward to it. Cheers, Niloy.
Cheers.